Google just quietly shipped 3 brand new updates inside a free tool most people have never even opened. And if you're building anything online right now, this changes what's actually possible with it's new, it's big, it's free, and honestly, it's easy enough to use even if you're not a tech person at all. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how these updates can save you real time on the stuff you're already trying to build. I am the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what happened. Google quietly shipped 3 updates inside a tool called AI Studio. And these updates basically turn it from a place where you just mess around with ideas into a place where you can build real working tools, tools that actually run and hold up, not just experiments that sit there unused. And that shift matters more than it sounds like at first. Building things online only really works when you've got good tools, tools that work fast, and systems that keep running even when you're not sitting at your computer watching them. That's exactly what these 3 updates hand you, and most people haven't even noticed they're there yet. Here's the 3 things that changed. Number 1, custom URLs. Number 2, importing straight from GitHub. Number 3, managed agents. Let me break each one down in plain, simple words. Update 1 is custom URLs. Before this, when you built an app inside AI Studio, you got handed a random link, some messy string of letters and numbers tacked onto the end of a web address. That's not something you'd feel great sending to a client. Now, you can get a clean, permanent link instead, something simple that actually looks like it belongs to your business, instead of a jumbled mess nobody's going to remember or trust. And that link stays exactly the same every single time. It doesn't change when you update the app, and it doesn't break when you share it in an email or drop it on your website. This actually matters a lot because a clean link builds trust. People click on things that look real, people click on things that feel safe. And a permanent link means you can build something around it over time, instead of starting from zero every time you make a change. Update 2 is importing straight from GitHub. If you're not familiar, GitHub is basically where a lot of developers and teams store their code, like a giant filing cabinet for projects. Before this update, if you wanted to bring a project into AI Studio, you had to download every single file and then upload each one by hand. Sometimes you'd be digging through folders just to find the one piece you actually needed. It ate up real time, and it was easy to mess up along the way. Now, you just connect your GitHub account, pick the project, and AI Studio pulls the whole thing straight in. One click, and that's it. So if your team already keeps its work in GitHub, this update means AI Studio just becomes another stop in your normal workflow instead of a separate place where you have to rebuild everything from scratch. No more wasted time moving files around by hand, no more digging through folders, trying to find the one piece you actually need. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Update 3 is really the big one here. It's called Managed Agents, and it's an expansion of what agents inside AI Studio could already do. What this means is your AI tool doesn't just stop working the second you close your laptop. It keeps running in the background inside Google's own managed environment. It can handle background tasks completely on its own. It can connect out to remote tools through something called Remote MCP, which basically lets it talk to outside services safely without you having to build a bunch of complicated connections yourself. It can even use custom functions and refresh its own credentials, so it doesn't get locked out halfway through a task. Think about what that actually means for your work. An agent that keeps researching, keeps writing, keeps working while you sleep, and picks back up exactly where it left off, instead of losing everything the moment you step away from your desk. That's a genuinely different way of working than what most people are used to with these tools. Let me give you a couple of real examples of what this actually looks like in practice. Say you're someone who wants to turn website visitors into real leads without answering the same questions all day long. You could build a tool inside AI Studio that welcomes new visitors, explains what your business does, answers common questions, and then collects their name and email so your team can follow up. What you get back is a friendly chat tool that talks to visitors day and night and hands warm leads straight to you without anyone lifting a finger. Or say you need fresh content every single week and you don't have hours to sit and write it all by hand. You could give it one topic and ask it to turn that into a YouTube script outline, a LinkedIn post, a thread, and a short newsletter section, all keeping the same simple, friendly tone. What comes back is a full stack of ready-to-use content pieces, all pulling from one topic, all built in minutes instead of hours. And here's a third one worth knowing, especially now that the managed agents piece is in play. Say you run a small business and you want something that keeps an eye on your industry for you. You could build an agent that checks for relevant news or updates on a set schedule, pulls out the parts that actually matter to your audience, and drafts a short summary you can review and post whenever you get a spare minute. Because it runs inside Google's managed environment now, it doesn't need your laptop open to keep doing that job. It just keeps working in the background day after day and hands you the finished draft whenever you're ready for it. Here's the thing that actually makes these three updates work so well together. The clean URLs mean whatever you build actually looks trustworthy enough to send to someone. The GitHub import means you're not wasting hours moving files around by hand. And the managed agents mean the whole thing keeps running even when you're not sitting there watching it. That's not three separate small updates. That's Google turning AI Studio into something you can actually build a real business tool inside of for free. A year ago, something like this, a free tool that builds working apps, pulls straight from your existing projects, and keeps running in the background on its own, would have sounded like a stretch. Now it's sitting inside a tool most people have already opened once and forgotten about that gap closed fast, and it's worth going back and actually using it properly this time. So to sum it up, Google gave AI Studio 3 new updates. Custom URLs make your tools look clean and trustworthy. GitHub import saves you real time by pulling your project straight in. And managed agents keep your tools working in the background even after you close your laptop. Together, that's the difference between building experiments that sit there unused and actually building things that keep working for you. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.